Hey, I'm just recording this storm. I don't know if you can, but there's a tree down. Trees are down all over, wind is blowing, and I'm on my first day to work. So, it's going to be a very interesting day today. I can't even talk, to say the least. There are people here, but well, I don't know. We'll see. It's you can see the conditions. It's bad. But the good thing is it's not blizzard conditions and snowing. So there is, you know, that. This is my job. And the manager's coming out, so we'll see if I'm working.